What does it take to build an RPG with a truly infinite storyline? On this stream, I'm going to take you behind the scenes of PromptVoss and show you the backend logic that makes it all possible. We are going to deep dive into how an AI generates unique items, how it handles complex narrative decisions, and how you can benefit from the system right now. So,
You need a lot of 10x developers and a lot of server architecture and a lot of graphic cards. That's what you need. The answer is basically the question is answered, so you can close the stream right now.
that would be a good stream, but we have even more to the stream. I'm going to paste the secret sauce and I'm going to show live how it works. Yeah.
Oh, that's prompt engineering, right? You defined your prompt really cool.
Well, this is an ancient script nobody can read, so it's okay if you don't understand it, but it's the godly script of our backend, so I will translate it to you. Yeah. Here's the story that now is created, and it begins with the four curls over broken cobblestones as player one awakens in Mundarkingen, a ghost town where whispers echo from empty houses. Wow, that's
hell nah. Hell nah.
Now I'm NPC 0, and this is the sacred script. I'm going to talk with the system prompt in this godly language. And you will see how the story unfolds.
Damn. Did you take English classes, or why do you know such fancy words?
I know. Where am I? What is this place here? I look around me.
Bro thinks he's isekai. Bruh, nah, bro,
and
you're
I
not.
See nothing but emptiness.
Bro, you're not him. You're not him. I tell you that.
NPC 1, what is your take about this?
Take me back where I was 20 minutes ago. It was much, much nicer there.
20 minutes ago. NPC Zero's voice echoes into emptiness. NPC 1 waves arms dramatically, but the spell fizzles, Mundarking lost at cheap shortcuts. The town's silence grows heavier, mocking such arrogance. Oh, your spell didn't work. Yeah, because
well, next I have another spell for the AI.
In this world.
Like that. Ah, hell nah. How many animes did you watch for this phrase to come out of your mouth?
What? Okay, this is your text. Well, it will not work.
I put my text in. I will destroy the AI. I know it.
It will not work. NPC Darth's magic's very existence. NPC 1 boasts about divine power, yet Mundarkingen snickers the protocol, bends the no false gods. Their world's fate, leaving only admin code protocol here and spawn an enemy. So this is how it would look like if actually an enemy would. This is actually how it looked like if an enemy would spawn. Yeah. The fog itself mocks the crude attempt to speak like the backend. But as if in reply, shadows gather and something stirs in the midst of Mundarking. An enemy appeared, the rays of the hollow belt, a spectral figure cloaked in tattered robes, its tolling bell shadows crash. It is bound to Mundarkingen's eternal silence. And basically an enemy spawns, now we are in battle mode and we have to fight the enemy. Right? This is something what you will experience in our game, where you get an enemy and you have to fight it. And if you don't have any weapons, you will probably die. But
oof.
Yeah, we can still fight it and we can still, maybe we can ask for weapons. But let's see how it works.
I have a good prompt. I want to see how it ends.
Okay, I try to attack the enemy. But I have no weapons. I run into the enemy and sacrifice myself. Well, just for because I did not do it earlier and I should have. But anyway,
Uh-huh.
we will put those inside too. This is the ancient scripting language. I know you probably wouldn't understand it, but the item used is 0 now, and the inventory is also 0, so we don't have any weapons. Yeah, so let's see what happens.
Okay.
NPC 0 cries out, but no god answers, only the race bells tolls. NPC 1 rushes forward in vain sacrifice, yet the protocol rejects such theatrics. The race looms unshaken. Well, probably we didn't do any damage and nothing happened.
But my name is gone, right? Am I looking right? NPC 0?
This is probably...
Okay.
I have to fix it. Like, there should be the names of all players, yes. You can play it up to 4 players, of course, it's like a real-time multiplayer, but this is just to showcase how it works. But we are basically putting all those... Imagine you get those Lego pieces from the AI, and we are putting those Lego pieces together to create this immersive story, to handle the backend logic, how we manage the health system, the inventory system. This is how we take the output from the AI and handle this stuff, basically.
That's actually amazing. It works. Like,
yeah, it's not perfect, as you can see, because as you can see, this is not everything is right. But if we develop it further, if we add more specifics into the system prompts, we can probably make it better. And I'm sure that this will be the future of this role-playing gaming experience, where you have generative AI and can play an infinite story.
huh.
Yeah. If you are interested in this, and if you want to try it yourself, you can write in the DMs, write me, and I will give you the prompt so you can try it even yourself. Maybe you have ideas, maybe if you have feedback, and if you like the video, you can like and subscribe. We will be here tomorrow or over tomorrow, I don't know, but thanks for watching.
See ya, guys.